God is using North Central graduates in ways I can't even describe. In the powerful nation of this school is a Bible college, the missionaries and pastors that are continuing to water the earth, that are bringing prophetic innovation from the Live Dead movement. I'm sure you've heard of that. It's all over the Middle East. Born out of a student in this university. I can tell you story after story of ministers and worship leaders writing music and establishing things for the kingdom. But I can tell you just as many stories now in business and in education. I can tell you stories about communication and journalism major, the new assistant press secretary for the U.S. House of Representatives, NCU grad a year ago. In 1 year has been promoted in D.C. VPs at General Mills, VPs at Walgreens. I could go on and on. You can go anywhere you want in the world from this room.